Hello, my name is Hannah Patterson for experiment 11. I'm going to be explaining how to balance redox reactions. So, first, it is important to understand what a redox reaction is. That is where we're going to have a chemical reaction in which one of the reactants is reduced while the other is oxidized. For step one, we are going to have to split our reaction into two half reactions. So for this example that I'm going to be doing today, I just chose random compounds. I'm going to be doing Fe plus V2O3 to Fe2O3 plus VO. And that breaks down, as you can see, into these two half reactions, Fe2O3, V2O3 to VO. Alrighty, step two, we need to assign oxidation states to each element in the equation. So our first half reaction is Fe has an oxidation state of 0. Fe2 plus 3O3 is -2. Second half reaction, we have our V2 equals +3 oxidation state. V is a +2 oxidation state, and O is -2 oxidation state. So next up, we have to determine if one of our species is oxidized and one is reduced. So looking at our oxidation states in the previous step, we need to determine if one is being oxidized while the other is being reduced. So in our example, the first half reaction is oxidized because our Fe starts with an oxygen state of 0 and goes up 3, as you can see here. And then our second half reaction is being reduced because our V starts with an oxygen state of +6 and goes down to +2. Alrighty, step 4, we need to balance all elements in our equation. So up top here, I have the half reaction 1. So we have our Fe, the Fe2O3, and there is one atom of Fe on the left side and 2 on the right. So we have to multiply the left by 2 in order to balance that. And we end up with 2 Fe to Fe2O3. For our second half reaction, which is down here, we begin with V2O3 to VO. There are 2 V atoms on the left side and 1 on the right, so we multiply the right by 2 in order to balance that, and we get this here, V2O3 to VO. Step 5, we need to balance our oxygen atoms by adding H2O to the opposite side. So our first half reaction, we have 2 Fe to Fe2O3, and there are 3 oxygen atoms on the right side, but none on the left, as you can see here. So we have to add 3 H2O molecules to the left side in order to balance. So we have 2 Fe plus 3 H2O to Fe2O3. Our second half reaction, V2O3 to VO. We have 3 oxygen atoms on the left and 2 on the right. We have to add 1 H2O molecule to the right side to balance, so we get V2O3 plus 2, or to 2VO plus H2O. Same thing for step 6, we need to balance our hydrogen atoms. So our first half reaction, we have 2 Fe plus 3 H2O to Fe2O3. There are 6 hydrogen atoms on the left side and none on the right, so we have to add 6 H plus to the right side to balance, and we're left with 2 Fe plus 3 H2O to Fe2O3 plus 6 H. Our second half reaction, we have V2O3 to 2VO plus H2O. There are 2 hydrogen atoms on the right and none on the left, so we have to add 2 H plus to the left side to balance, and we are left with V2O3 plus 2H to 2VO plus H2O. 7 is equalizing charges. So first half reaction, we have 2 Fe plus 3 H2O to Fe2O3 plus 6 H plus. Their charge on the left side of the equation is 0, and on the right side it is 6 plus due to the hydrogen ions. So we have to add 6 electrons to the right side to balance it. So we have 2 Fe plus 3 H2O to Fe2O3 plus 6H plus 6E minus. And our second half reaction, V2O3 plus H2 plus 2VO plus H2O. The charge on the left side of the equation is 2 plus, while the right side is 0. So we have to add 2 electrons to the left side in order to bring that charge to 0. So V2O3 plus 2H plus minus, or plus 2E minus to 2VO plus H2O, and that's equalizing our charges. Step 8, we need to multiply each half reaction so that the electrons are equal in both half reactions. So half reaction 1 has 6 electrons, while half reaction 2 has 2. So by multiplying the half reaction 2 by 3, it will give it 6 electrons and be equal to the first one. So we have the math here. So we have our 3 times V2O3 plus 2H plus 2E minus to 2VO plus 6H2O, and that after we multiply all that out, we get 3V2O3 plus 6H plus minus 6E minus goes to 6VO plus 3H2O. Step 9 here, we need to combine the two half reactions. So we have our 2Fe plus 3H2O plus 3V2O3 plus 6H plus 6E minus to Fe2O3 plus 6H plus 6E minus plus 6VO plus 3H2O. So the electrons on both sides of the equation cancel out. So we have our 3H2O and our 3H2 over here that cancel. We have our 6H plus and our 6H plus, and then our 6E minus and 6E minus, and that gives us 2Fe plus 3V2O3 plus 6VO.